Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is February the 13th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market snapshot where we are coming in to give you guys the news according to the charts. And excuse the lateness for today. Had some business to take care of, but as always, I'm dedicated to give you all the news according to the charts. So therefore, that's why we are doing the video now. Okay. Now, everything that I say on this channel as well on this video is not to be considered financial advice. You want to know why? Because I'm not a financial advisor, but better yet, I am the financial language expert of the financial markets. I predict price forecasts and price predictions of these cryptocurrencies, and I only do this by looking at the price bars and the volume just to show you all that is all you need to know in order to maintain profitability and as well make money in the market, because you will understand what the market is doing. Now, the market continues to do what it's been doing the last 4 or 5 trading days. As I've been telling you all in our previous videos, consolidation, been trading within a range between support and resistance. But as we go throughout time, I want you all to pay attention to what the volume is doing. The volume is lighting up as we go further out in time. That is a key sign to let you know that a lot of the stockpile is being bought up, which is another sign that the market is about ready to move higher. Okay. If not that, then it will move lower. But given the fact that we have been trading sideways for such a long period of time right now, and the volume is getting lighter, it gives me a lot of confidence into stating that the market should be moving higher soon. Okay. Now, the market cap still is hovering around $420 billion. So that is not changing, as well as the Bitcoin dominance 34.7. So nothing too much to tell you all there. Bitcoin is down 1.37. So today was just like a meager day, just a regular trading day. If you guys are short-term traders, you still could have made profit on smaller time frames, but long-term today was just a rather regular day. Ethereum is down almost 1%. Ripple is down 1%. Bitcoin Cash is down 0.4. Cardano is down 0.74. Litecoin is up almost 10%. Stellar as well is up almost 4. Neo is down 1.14. EOS 2.29. So a mixed bag. We don't have anything really blew out today in the market, whether that's to the downside or to the upside, but rather the market was just tame in its sideways trading action. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and hurry up and get into this analysis, because I know that's what you all are waiting for. I'm back on BitFinex. If you guys can tell, the market finally, or BitFinex has finally got their act together, which is allowing me the opportunity to get back to these particular charts. So now you guys can see that Bitcoin is down 0.17%, 0.23. Last trade was $8,666. So now, as I zoom in on Bitcoin, I want you guys to pay attention to what is happening to the bars and the volume. The volume is getting lighter as we go out in time, but the market is not moving lower. So that is a very positive thing. And as well, today is a probable precursors of strength. So I'm still expecting the market to move higher and definitely to come back up to $9,000. Okay. That $9,000 has been acting as resistance in the past. So you need to make sure that we continue to get precursors of strength bars around $9,000, especially on this 3-hour bar. We get the bar to close towards the high as well as above this close. The market is still giving us precursors of strength. So we're looking for Bitcoin to continue to move higher. Now, the two areas that I'm paying attention to is $8,800 first, and then $9,000 as those areas of resistance. So pay attention to that as well. We need to get continual precursors of strength as Bitcoin tries to break through $8,800 and around that, and then eventually 9,000, and that could occur in tomorrow's trading or currently. Now, let's go ahead and move on to Ethereum. So you guys can see that Ethereum is down. It's up 0.21%. Last trade was $846.77. Daily price bar for Ethereum as well. The volume is diminishing as the market goes out in time, but the price bar is not moving lower. It's continually to make slight moves to the upside. That is a positive thing to see as well. And then just like with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, we are getting this probable precursors of strength. So tomorrow is going to be a crucial day to see the buyers still maintaining the price in Ethereum. 3-hour bars for Ethereum. Just like with Bitcoin, if we continue to maintain strength in Ethereum, we're still looking to move higher, especially on this 3-hour bar. If it closes above, it might just come up to $850. So keep that in mind. We are getting a lot more volume on this bar than we did in the last 3-hour bars. So that could either mean that the volume is getting hit with a lot of stockpile, this bar is, or there's a lot of selling in the market or a lot of buying going on in the market. Okay. But we're still looking for Ethereum to move higher. Now, as I told y'all earlier, it might just come up to 850, but in tomorrow's trading, you might actually find resistance around 855 or even in or around $875, $880 in trading tomorrow. But definitely you guys can see as I zoom out, the market is slowly making higher lows. That's a very positive thing as well. The market got a lot of volume on this bar. The market did not respond as much. It maintained price. So Ethereum as well is looking to be moving higher. Next on the list is going to be Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is up 1.95%. Last trade was at $1,262.50. So again, all of these cryptocurrencies, all coins are doing the same thing. Over the last 6 trading days has just been trading sideways. Very positive thing to see. Volume is getting lighter, so we're looking definitely for higher prices in these altcoins. It could happen tomorrow. We have a huge breakout tomorrow, but definitely in the near future, we're looking for these cryptos to move higher. 3-hour bar for Bitcoin Cash can definitely give you that same picture. Support has been holding at $1,200. Resistance is at $1,280 and around $1,280. But we have a very strong precursors of strength bar being revealed right now in the 3-hour bar. So it's highly probable that Bitcoin Cash will come back up to $1,280, especially if this bar closes with the close towards the high of the bar. We expect them to continue to move higher. And if not $1,280, then $1,320 will be the next area, if not higher. So now let's go ahead and check out Ripple. So Ripple is down 0.43%. Last trade was $1.01. So pretty much the same story with Ripple as well with the rest of the other altcoins. Market continues to consolidate. Volume is drying up. Good sign for the market to continue to move higher in price. Let's take a look at the 3-hour bar for Ripple. So just like with Bitcoin Cash, we're getting a precursors of strength bar right now, push to go up. Market runs a high probability at least coming back up to $1.05 short term. But in trading tomorrow, we can definitely move higher than that. Okay, but our analysis is for Ripple to continue to move higher as well. Now let's go ahead and look at Litecoin. So daily bar for Litecoin, they're currently up 8.67%. Last trade was $171.32. Daily price bar, definitely tell that we are getting a lot of action right now. And Litecoin, the market came all the way up to $177.53. Pay attention, we are getting stockpile currently on this daily price bar, but the volume is light, so it might not be that much selling occurring in Litecoin. Now, this 3-hour bar, we missed the move, but nevertheless, the market is coming right back up there towards that area of resistance that occurred in the past, right there around $176. That's why we are getting stockpiled in the market. So pay attention. We want Litecoin to hold support at $168 in or around that area. Okay, $168 to even $164. So pay attention to that. if this stockpile bar closes towards that area, it needs to hold that support. But if it closes towards the high of the bar, then definitely Litecoin is going to continue to move higher in price. We have a lot of volume in this bar as well, in the 3-hour bar, so it's still probable that Litecoin will be moving higher. Might just come up to $180, but then get more of that stockpile that's coming in right now. Okay, but throughout trading tomorrow, it could definitely come all the way back up to 185 or even 190, especially given the amount of spread on that current 3-hour bar. So next is going to be Dash. So Dash is up 0.10%. Last trade was $608.20. Daily price bar for Dash as well. Consolidation, trading sideways, volume is getting light. So the market is getting prepped for higher prices. You can definitely tell due to the fact that the volume is lighter. 3-hour bar for Dash, especially on this 3-hour bar, this current one, it is a push to go up bar, probable precursors of strength. If this bar closes towards the high of the bar, then definitely the market is in a breakout mode to where the market is going to be moving higher. Okay, might just come up to 620, but given the fact that a lot of these altcoins are looking the same, the market can definitely move higher than that. So keep that in mind. It might come all the way up to 640, even 660 in tomorrow's trading for Dash, but definitely the outlook is for them to continue to move higher in price in today's or tomorrow's trading, depending on where you are at. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at Neo. So Neo is down 0.05%. Last trade was $109.92. So again, probable precursors of strength. Look at that volume. It is exceedingly lighter than what has been the last 3 trading days, which is another indication that a lot of this stockpile and selling that occurred on these particular bars has been bought up, and now the market is going to be prepped and ready for higher prices, or it might move lower. But given the fact that the other altcoins are not doing that, is another inclination that the market for Neo is going to be moving higher. 3-hour bar as well can show you all that the market has just been consolidating, trading sideways for the longest period of time. Sound like a broken record, just keep repeating myself, but currently the market is looking to move higher. That is our analysis. Volume is getting a lot lighter, but the market is not moving. So the next area for Neo to move to is up there towards $115. That will be the area that we're paying attention to, but it might just come a little slight lower than that, around $113, $114 first. But given the fact that the market is lighter in volume, and as well that the market is just trading sideways, expecting them to move higher too. Now let's go ahead and check out Monero. So Monero is down 0.23%. Last trade was $240.13. Daily price bar for Monero. Again, we're getting a lot more interest in higher prices for the fact that the volume has been lighter the last 2 trading days. We're currently getting a push to go up bar in Monero as well. A quick look at the 3-hour bars should give us a better picture of how much interest there is in higher prices. And again, this current 3-hour bar is definitely giving us that interest in higher prices. Now we need to find where resistance can be. Currently it is trading around resistance. That's why we're getting stockpile currently on this bar. We need this bar or even the next bar to continue to move higher in price. And if this bar closes with the close towards the high, then expect Monero to move higher. But please acknowledge that this bar is having selling in it, so it can move lower. But as I stated earlier, a lot of these other altcoins are also moving in the same direction, looking the same. So it's highly probable that Monero will be moving higher as well. Looking for them to at least come up to and around 250. Might be a little shy in that, 247 in around that area, but definitely the potential is there for Monero to move a lot higher. Now let's move on to the last one, which is Cardano. Daily price bar, look at the volume. See, pay attention, the market's just trading sideways. So obviously the market is getting prepped for higher prices. Okay. 3 hour bar, currently if this bar close towards the high, definitely looking for higher prices in Cardano as well. 37 cents all the way back up to 38 cents will be the first initial areas. Now understand, it can definitely go higher than that. You just got to maintain and see where we get precursors of strength bars at. But those are the first areas that we are eyeing for Cardano to go to. So that's all I have for today, February 13, 2018. And just as a quick recap, let you all know what I'm noticing on the charts as a whole. Market has been consolidating for quite some time. Volume is getting lighter. A lot of these 3 hour bars is giving us precursors of strength right now. We're still looking for the market to move higher. I told you our initial price areas, but it can definitely move a lot higher than that. Okay. So keep that in mind. We're not seeing a lot of precursors of weakness on the daily, on the 3 hour bars for our analysis today. So it's another clue that we're expecting the market to move higher. So at least we are about to break out this trading zone, this sideways trading action, hopefully. But at least the market may come back up to that resistance area that it has been plaguing these cryptos for a couple of days to maybe in 2 weeks now. Okay, so at least the market should come back up to resistance. That's all I have for today. Appreciate everyone who continues to watch this channel. Hopefully you all are understanding what is going on in the markets, and we are eliminating the confusion. You do not need to have understanding of moving averages, understanding of RSIs, understanding of MACDs, understandings of patterns and Fibonacci retracements. All you need to understand is what the price bars and volume mean. Okay, that's what I've been showing you all ever since 2017, and we plan on continuing to show you all that, and as well at some point teach you all how to do it. Maintain your profitability. I will talk to you all later. Have a good day.